Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back friends, welcome back to another video lecture by Kami Microbiologist. I hope all of you are well and fine. Today in this video lecture I am going to explain another topic that is related to vitamin profile, and it is about the vitamin C blood test. If you guys remember, we already talked different vitamin test, like we have talked vitamin A and vitamin B blood test. In vitamin B blood test we talked different vitamin B blood tests like vitamin B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, 6 and so on. Now this is another video that is related to the vitamin profile, and it is the vitamin C blood test. So let's start the video. My name is Muhammad Kamil Khan and you guys watching my channel Kami Microbiologist. Now let's see the main content that what we are going to explain in this video lecture. In this video lecture, first of all we will see that what is vitamin C, then we will explain the function, then we will see the diagnostic purpose, test procedure, then we will explain the deficiency of vitamin C, normal range, and finally we will see the main cause of high and low vitamin C. First of all, let's see the introduction. Vitamin C is also called ascorbic acid, or we also call it L-ascorbic acid test. If you see in most of the laboratory, the doctor recommend ascorbic acid test. They in some of the some of the doctor recommend vitamin C test. So but most of the doctor says please perform ascorbic acid test. For what purpose, I will explain it in the next slide. Then vitamin C is the part of vitamins. If you remember, we have talked different vitamins profiles, so it's the part of the vitamins. And vitamin C is also what it is the essential vitamins. Why? Because it is not stored by the body, it is not produced by the body, and we can take it from the diet and supplements. Remember one point that's really important: essential vitamins are those vitamins which are really important for the body, and it can be obtained from the diet, or it is not stored and produced by the body. Okay, and non-essential are those vitamins which are produced and stored by the body, and it can also take from the diet, but sometimes it cannot be taken from the diet as well. Now vitamin C is also the water soluble vitamins. If we talk the normal range, so its normal range is 0.6 to 2.0 milligram per deciliter. Now let's see the function of vitamin C. So the main function of vitamin C, that it can keep the cell healthy by protect it from the antioxidant. Next, it can metabolize the fat, so when the fat is metabolized, then it will produce energy. Next, it can maintain the normal nerve function by making the nerve cells healthy. Next, it can regulate the hormonal system, okay, especially thyroid hormone and adrenal, etc. Next, it can make our bone, ligament, tendon, teeth strong. It can make our skin healthy. It helps to improve the wound healing, mean it can help in wound healing. It also important to boost our immune system. It is also important to absorb iron. So when the iron is absorbed, so it can protect us from the iron deficiency anemia. Now let's see the diagnostic purpose. So this test is specially responsible for the vitamin C level. As all of you better know that there will be the disease when the vitamin C level get low, there will be the disease when vitamin C level get high. I will explain it in the next slide. Then due to vitamin C test, we can diagnose a disease which we call it scurvy disease, which is the mouth related disease, means the bleeding or the bleeding come from the nose or from the gum area especially. As you can see, this is the scurvy disease on your computer screen. Due to the vitamin C, we can also evaluate or find out the malnutrition disease. Due to the vitamin C test, we can also find the treatment or the recovery or the supplement effect which are provided for the scurvy disease, either the supplement is workable or not. So these are the vitamin C diagnosis. Now let's see the recommended test. So mostly for vitamin C, the doctor also recommends CBC test, that will be important to find out the anemia. It also recommends the iron test, and the doctor also recommends ascorbic acid test with vitamin C test as well. Now let's see the diet rich in vitamin C. So we have oranges, kiwi, lemon, grapes, green chili, broccoli, papaya, pineapple, guava, tomato, strawberries. These are the foods which contain the vitamin C in large amount. Let's see the symptoms of vitamin C deficiency. So due to the vitamin C deficiency, our skin will be dry and rough, delay wound healing, immuno impairment means immune system will be not working properly, hair splitting means hair will be weak and will break very easily from the root, bleeding from the nose and gums, spoon shaped nails, swelling and joint in pains, fatigue, anemia, depression, bone weakness. Now let's see the procedure of the vitamin C test. So first of all, you have to guide the patient that the patient should be on a diet, means the patient should be on a fasting, 12 hour on a fasting or 6 hour on a fasting. After that, then you will collect the blood in gel tube, red top or green top. You will centrifuge the blood and separate the plasma or serum. It means that you can perform the test from the plasma as well as from the serum. Then once the plasma or serum is separated from the blood, then what will you do? You have to run the test on advanced fully automated machine, like we have Artitech machine, we have Meglomi machine, we have Mendre machine. Okay, and you can also perform that test on a semi-automated machine, like we have FIA based machine, we have Fine Care, Lofia and Digrade machine. Now let's see the main causes of low vitamin C. So when vitamin C level get low, so due to it may be the poor diet, vitamin C level get also low due to the smoking and alcoholism, anorexia nervosa, ulcerative colitis, celiac disease and Crohn's disease, due to certain medication like antidepressant, oral contraceptives and diuretics, AIDS and diabetes, pregnancy and lactation, high iron intake. So these are the main causes through which the vitamin C level get low, and it can also get low due to the kidney disease, like we have dialysis patient. So this is all about the vitamin C test. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel to get more interesting videos like that. Thank you so much.